Hello everyone, welcome to the SGUnited Health Jigsaw. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw is a blended events initiative in which you have to complete a total of 4 challenges. So choose one challenge per puzzle piece. Each puzzle piece represents a key part of the SGUnited initiative. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw aims to encourage the community to connect and exercise together while adhering to social distancing protocol. We hope to foster bonds and to build the SGUnited spirit through this program, especially during this difficult time. We also hope to empower the community to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle together. Today, we'll be doing the cardio boxing challenge in the StayActive in the Park puzzle piece. Before we commence, check your surroundings for any safety hazards. You must conduct this activity in an outdoor area like a park. Ensure you are standing a safe distance away from others so as to avoid collision and to maintain social distancing. You are encouraged to wear the appropriate sports attire.
By completing the challenge, you are pledging to
We pledge to stay active and encourage our family and friends to join us in maintaining an active lifestyle together. We will take care of our health and play our part in building a healthy community that is safe for everyone. SG United!
Now I'll pass the time over to Trainer Kelvin.
Hi, my name is Trainer Kelvin. Okay, today I'm gonna show you cardio boxing. Okay, so please follow me. Movement 1, jab, jab, cross. Okay, you gotta start on your right hand 2 and left hand 1. Okay, so make sure 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3. Make sure go all out with your shoulder and body movement. One more time. And again. Good. All right. Same goes to your left side. Again, you go jab, jab, cross. Make sure 2 on your left, 1 on your right. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3. 2 more. And last one. Okay. Good. All right. Movement 2. Okay. 3 uppercut with 1 dodge. Okay. So make sure what I need you to do. Okay. You go 3 up, uppercut. Dodge it. Make sure move your knees. Okay, knees bend, and again you go up, 2, 3, down. Okay, dodging, and again, last one, and down. Okay, same goes to your left side. Same thing. Okay, left leg in front, right leg behind. Okay, you go like this. 1, 2, 3, down. Okay, how you dodge your enemy with punches, and again, 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Down, last set, and down. Good. All right. Movement 3. Okay, low side kick with left knee up. So make sure all you need to do, lift up your right knee, push, and left knee up. Okay, let's try one more time. Down and up. 2 more. 1, 2. 1 more. Bam. Bam. Same goes to your left side. Let's try. Come, get ready. Up, push, and up. And again, bam, up. 2 more to go. Woo. Last one, bam, and up. Good job. All right. Now go to your number 4 movement. All you need to do, you make it 2 hook, 1 body rip. Make sure hit your enemy on here. Okay, so make sure 1, 2, and 3. Make sure right side, right hook, left hook, rip. Again, make sure you need to recoil back. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 more. Good. Same goes to your left side. Same thing. 1, 2, rip. Okay, make sure recoil back. And then again, 1, 2, 3. 2 more to go. 1, 2, 3. Last one and go. Good. All right. Track 5. Okay, so all you need to do, you give me a 1 front kick and back fist. Make sure don't move your arms, elbows. Okay, how you slap people? This is how you fight. Okay, back fist, 1 more time. Okay, so make sure 1, 2. 2 more again. Bam, bam. Last one, go. Okay, this is how you do on your left. So make sure front kick, back fist, and again, go, bam. 2 more, And last one. Whoo. Okay. All right, now you know the move. Come, repeat after me.